Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Tourelle, Quebec, is a charming coastal village on the scenic Gaspé Peninsula. If you're exploring Route 132, this is one of those spots where you'll want to pause and take in the beauty of the region. Tourelle is known for its peaceful atmosphere and stunning views of the St. Lawrence River. This area was historically rooted in fishing, like much of the Gaspé Peninsula, but today it's also a quiet destination for visitors seeking natural beauty and relaxation. The name Tourelle, which translates to turret, refers to the area's picturesque lookout points. Tourelle is a great base for adventures like sea kayaking, fishing, or simply walking along the scenic coastal paths. This is one of the best places to relax and appreciate the natural beauty of Quebec. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Tourelle, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!